It just records the screen. Like whatever's on the screen. So unless you can go inside of the screen, it's not going to be on there.
For Steven.
Yes. Are we good to go through this, or want me to wait a minute? Did someone say wait a minute? Yeah. Okay. What are you looking for? 3 all points?
The instruction.
What? Hurts your brain?
It sounds so complicated. Like it sounds like you're about to do some like heavy duty like 30 cuts, man.
It's not bad.
We're just doing the same stuff we were doing before, right?
No. Well, maybe, but I haven't taught it yet. Okay. So, for the first one I want positive y values and a positive slope. There's only one little segment where that happens. What is it? 0 to 1. So we're above the axis, so we're already narrowed down to just this little area, and we gotta have a positive slope. Now I'm saying above the axis and a negative slope. So that's from 1 to 3. We have those first two correct. Okay. Wait, what? For which one?
Yeah, I drew my graph differently. I drew my graph so level up the two. Yeah. I just drew my graph wrong. It's not
Are
your
you breaking up with me?
Yeah, no.
So, like, your concept was fine, you just labeled the numbers wrong, basically.
No, I drew the graph wrong on my paper.
Right, so yes. Okay.
So.
Alright, so now we're below the axis and a positive slope. So that is from negative infinity to negative 2. And from negative 1 to 0. And then this last one is below the axis and a negative slope. So that is from negative 2 to negative 1. And 3 to positive infinity. Questions there? We good? Does this help? Okay, get your notes out, please. I want to review how to find. I want to review point slope formulas from like algebra. Algebra, yeah. Algebra 2 also. Sometimes they say things by accident. It almost seems like I might be about to teach that. Just waiting 5 freaking seconds.
I was going to say it's Nick, Mike, Secret.
You say it's
What?
Twin slope form.
I don't know. You said
Yeah, plus BY plus A.
Yeah. Well, you could put it into that form. So, point slope form is if you have like either 2 points or a point and a slope, and you want the equation of a line. And that is y equals blank times x minus blank plus blank. This is your slope. This is the x value of one of the points. And that's the y value of one of the points. So if I were doing this one, what's the slope in this between these 2 points? 6. Then I've got 20 minus 8 over 5 minus 3. So 12 over 2, so my slope is 6. And then I pick one of the points. Don't mix and match them. Pick one of the points and put the x value here and the y value there. And that's the equation of the line. The AP test usually wants that distributed too, so it'll come out in like the mx plus b form, like a slope intercept form. So I'm going to distribute and say that's 6x minus 18 plus 8, which is like 6x minus 10. I'm hoping that's pretty familiar to people. That's like algebra and algebra 2. We probably did a pre-calc also. Is that alright? Can't see what? Okay, who's talking? Can't see what? You can move your desk.
I'm just short, so I'm working on it.
Well, that's not. I don't know if you can work on that. You can just move your desk. Do that one. Give me the equation of the line between those 2 points. Can I like slide up past the first one yet? No yet. That's not like part of it. So that's easy to see. What else?
I mean, I just planned stuff out and I was writing the other one, so it's a bit glancing back up. I was trying to ask, right?
We've talked before about what if everyone did that, right?
Perhaps. Yes.
Like, let's think about that before we do that. So y equals blank, x minus blank, plus blank. If I find the slope, 13 minus 1 over 1 minus negative 3, so 12 over 4, so my slope should be 3. And then I pick either point. If you're putting a negative 3 there, it would end up positive, so it's minus a negative 3. And so this would be 3x plus 9 plus 1 more. I'm going to add 3x plus 10 there. Alright. What you just did there, is you found the equation of a secant line. So that's a secant line. So there's secant lines and tangent lines. So a secant line is 2 points. Tangent line is 1 point. Secant line is also, so the secant line is also average rate of change. The tangent line is instantaneous. Rate of change. So we're gonna do both. The goal of calculus is tangent lines, but like the course introduces you to that through secant lines with 2 points, then putting the points closer and closer together. So we're just gonna like talk about this a little bit. I'm not gonna write down a bunch of questions. We'll just do it verbally. So write this. No time. Yeah, write this. gonna be tough for you to like write down your notes, I guess, but it'll be on the video. I know you guys watch them all over and over again on the weekends, right?
How many views do you have in your
Like little
videos?
bits.
Like hundreds, right?
What?
How many views do you have in your videos? Like hundreds,
It's in
right?
the 100,000s, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah, I should check that. It's probably like one.
Steven.
Steven. Just be like it on repeat. Sorry.
If you had that many views, you would make money on
Is that a tangent line or a secant line? Tangent or secant? Would the tangent line between A and D have a positive? I'm sorry, the secant line between A and D have a positive or negative slope?
Positive.
Positive. That's this guy, right?
Did you say D or B?
That's a D. Would the secant line between A and B have a positive or negative slope? Negative. That'd be this guy. What has a higher slope? The tangent line at D or the secant line between D and E? Tangent line at D is this, right? Secant line is between those two. So calculus doesn't really care about the secant line. The whole point of calculus is that we don't have to use secant lines anymore. We can use tangent lines. But they put it on the AP test. We're going to go through this in the R test too, because that's how they like introduce tangent lines. They talk about, okay, if I wanted to find, and we've talked about it a few times, if I wanted to find the tangent line there, I would start by finding the slope of that secant line, and then just bring that point closer and closer together, and then you're finding the secant line of two like incredibly close points. Why are you like laughing every time I look? Are you just like loving this lecture?
Oh, I just love it.
All right. Take out the sheet I gave you, the sheet I passed around, which is going to be your homework, but I don't have very much time to go over it.
So,
Tangent lines and circles. Secant line connects two points.
I thought that a tangent line was the slope of a line that hits a point and only hits that point of the line once.
Yeah.
I thought you said they're two incredibly close points. I thought it was just one.
In theory, those are the same thing. So, like, if you're hitting two incredibly close points, you're hitting one point, basically. So it's saying you can't technically calculate the slope of one point, so you need two that are so close together.
I thought you just found the point and then found the line that only touches that graph once at that point.
Yeah, so you're drawing it, yes.
Okay.
But if I actually calculate slope, you need a little more. We're saying the same thing different ways. They're really. Alright, so for your homework, they want you to find the equation of the secant line that intersects the given points. They're pretty friendly. They gave you the points. So in this one, they're saying -1 to -4 and 0, 1/3. So those two right there. So you are doing what we just did with these 2 points that they gave you up here. So you're going y equals blank times x minus blank plus blank. I'm going to just throw the 0 and the 1/3 in there right now. And my job is to find the slope. So for your slope, and this is just hard because it's fractions, 1/3 minus 1/4 over 0 minus -1. So put these in twelfths, right?
Yeah.
This would be 4/12 minus 3/12. So 1/12 over 1. So isn't that just 1/12? Then they're going to want you to distribute and put it into like y equals mx plus b form. So this would be y equals 1/12x
So you do it with the
plus 1/3. So I do want it in the slope intercept form. If we check our, so yeah, if you look at their answers, that's how they wrote it too. I know I'm going fast, but are there questions on 1? I think they're all easier than that actually. The fractions are the hard part, I think. Fair enough? Good? Go to like number 11, because it's 2 different sets of instructions. So, 2 things here. Find the average rate of change. That just means find the slope. even asking you for the equation of the line, they're just asking you for the slope. Diaz, you're staring down at your pants and your hands are down there, so I'm hoping you're texting. Oh, is it? Okay. I apologize. Alright.
That's really good to know.
I apologize.
I'm so sorry, Steven.
So, these are X values. So what did they not give you? So you're going to have to go, okay, -2, comma, what am I going to do to find the Y value?
Plug those numbers.
You got to plug it into the equation. I'm going to go 0, comma, plug it into the equation. So if I plug -2 into my equation, it'd be like -1 over -2 minus 2. You guys see the equation I'm talking about? So it'd be 1 over -4, so it's really 1/4. And if I plug in 0, I get 1/2. And then they just want the slope between those, so they make your life a little easier. They're not asking for the entire equation, just the slope. So then you're going to go 1/2 minus 1/4 over 0 minus -2. So 1/4 over 2. You could just leave it like that, really, but that's 1/8 if you want to simplify it down. Talk louder. What?
Can you just explain how you got 1 over negative? Why did you have 1 over -2 minus 2?
So that's my equation, and I was plugging in -2. Does that make sense? You got it.
So what did you do with that number?
So that was the Y value that went with -2. Then I repeated that with a 0. So it's like -1 over 0 minus 2. That's how I got -1/2. And then I found the slope between those. Other questions? Good? Again, I apologize. So that's your homework. Let's do tomorrow. Alright. Thanks for coming by. Good to see everybody.
Faster than it's speeding it up.